Today I am going to discuss PHP function. For our topic, let's define function in PHP. It is a block of code which can be called from any point in a script after it has been declared. This is the syntax for PHP function. There are some guidelines in PHP function. First, give the function a name that reflects what the function does. Second, function name can start with a letter or underscore, not a number. For example, I have here a file name function.php, and now I will apply function inside the PHP tag. This is the function name fruit and echo apple code to be executed. And now to test it, I will open a browser to know the output. It displays apple. Let's try to add words together with the function, and don't forget to save the file before loading it on the browser. And now for the output, I have an apple, and that's it. We already defined function in PHP, and now let's proceed to adding parameters. This is the syntax. A parameter is just like a variable. Parameters are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. To understand it more, I have here an example. This is the parameter in the function right name. Don't forget to add $sign before the variable name. Inside the function, I will print the first name space Swift, and here it displays Joel Swift. Now, let's try to add another name. Let's say John. We added BR tag inside the function, which means line break tag, so that it will display Joel Swift in the first line and John Swift in the second line. Don't forget to save, and now reload it, and it displays Joel Swift and John Swift. That's it. Now let's try to add two parameters in a function. Let's say function name is add, which will add two numbers. The parameters name are A and B, and we will add 1 and 3. As you can see, the output is 4. Now let's try to remove echo inside the function. The output is not displayed. This means that the function is working but it's not displayed. So better add echo inside the function to view the output. Now let's try to echo outside the function. The output is not displayed also. So better add echo inside the function. We already defined function and try adding parameters. So now let's use return value. In this example, I have here function add. So now I have a variable named total and return total. This time I use a holder named total for adding A and B. And now for the result. Oh, there's nothing displayed. Let's check. We will echo add 1 and 3. Now it displays 4. Next is about recursive function. It is a function that calls itself until it's done. It is something that repeats itself. One example of this is factorial. It is a very easy math concept. They are written like 5 factorial. And this means 5 times 4 equals 20, 20 times 3 equals 60, 60 times 2 equals 120, and 120 times 1 equals 120. And now, let's try it using PHP function. I have here function factorial, having a parameter named num. Now let's try factorial of 5, and the result is 120. So what is happening inside the function? I will discuss it now. Since we have the parameter value 5, is number less than 2? Not. So, we'll proceed to else condition. We have num5 and 5 minus 1 equals 4. So 5 times 4 equals 20. So on and so forth. Now let's review our topic. First, we define function in PHP, and we also describe adding parameters, and also try to execute return values and recursive function. So guys, I hope you enjoy and learn many things about functions in PHP. Thanks for watching.